Let's explore TypeScript with Node.js, focusing on adding static typing to Node.js applications. We'll combine the benefits of TypeScript with the power of Node.js. TypeScript is a strongly typed programming language that builds on JavaScript by adding static type definitions. Static typing enhances code reliability and maintainability. TypeScript code compiles to plain JavaScript, making it compatible with any environment that JavaScript runs in. It offers features like static type checking, compiles to JavaScript, and provides enhanced integrated development environment support. Using TypeScript with Node.js provides several benefits. First, fewer runtime errors, as you can catch errors during compilation instead of in production. Second, better code documentation because types serve as living documentation for your code. Third, enhanced developer experience, including improved autocomplete and refactoring tools. Fourth, easier maintenance, making large code bases more manageable. To set up TypeScript, you'll need to install the TypeScript compiler. You can install it globally or project-specific. To install globally, use the command npm install-g TypeScript. To install as a project dependency, use the command npm install-save dev TypeScript at the type/node. Installing Node.js type definitions improves the development experience by providing type information for Node.js APIs. To configure TypeScript, initialize its tsconfig.json file using the command tsc-init. This file specifies the compiler options for your project. The tsconfig.json file includes options such as the target JavaScript version, module system, output directory, root directory, and strict mode. For example, you can set the target to ES 2020, the module to common.js, the output directory to ./dist, the root directory to ./src, and enable strict mode by setting strict to true. TypeScript provides basic types such as strings, numbers, and booleans. For example, to declare a string variable, use letName:\string equals John. For a number, use letAge:\number equals 25. For a boolean, use letIsActive:\boolean equals true. You can also define arrays and objects with specific types. For example, letNumbers:\number array equals 1, 2, 3. And for objects, let user:\open brace name:\string age:\number close brace equals open brace name:\alice, age:30 close brace. TypeScript allows you to define function types, specifying the types of parameters and return values. For example, function greet taking name of type string returns a string, return hello, $open brace name close brace. You can also define interfaces to describe the structure of objects. Interface user open brace ID:\number name :string email $string close brace. Then you can use this interface for objects like const user:user equals open brace ID:1, name John Doe close brace. Here's an example of a simple Express server written in TypeScript. First, import Express from Express. Then, const app equals Express open parenthesis close parenthesis. Const port:\number equals 3000. Next, apt.get open parenthesis / open parenthesis request response close parenthesis implies open brace response. JSON open parenthesis open brace message :hello TypeScript. Close brace close parenthesis close brace close parenthesis. App.listen open parenthesis port open parenthesis close parenthesis implies open brace console. Log open parenthesis backtick server running on port $open brace port close brace backtick close parenthesis close parenthesis. To compile TypeScript code, use the tsc command. To compile a single file, use tscapp.ts. To compile all files in the project, simply use tsc. Once compiled, you can run the JavaScript file using Node.js, nodejs/app.js. Alternatively, you can use tsnode for direct execution and pxtsnode source/app.ts. Here are some best practices for using TypeScript. First, use strict mode by setting strict:"true in tsconfig.json. Second, define interfaces to create clear contracts for objects and function parameters, improving code documentation. Third, avoid using the any type. Instead, use specific types to maintain type safety. Fourth, use tsnodedev for faster development with automatic recompilation, and restart by running npm install --save dev tsnodedev. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.